All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu jumping off the charts. Ever since it got listed on Robinhood, things have been going fantastic for Shiba. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, do a little price prediction. We're going to go to an article about the Shiba Inu and the Robinhood's going to be fantastic. Also, right now at 5 o'clock, literally Spooky Miner is launching on avax. So if you're into crypto projects and you're into those 6-in-1 miners, literally this video is launching at 5, and the avax Spooky Miner is launching at 5. So even if you get in later or a day later or two later, you still want to get in if you're into those type of projects. And last but not least, Bitcoin is going to $1 million, they say. We're going to talk about that for a little bit. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, you know it, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Let's head over to Shiba Inu. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu is at number 15. Let's take a look here. Shiba's at 15. It even has on their website to buy it. You know, look at, they got buy Matic. Oh yeah, Matic got listed on Robinhood too. So we got buy here and buy here. So Shiba's up 5.48% in the last 7 days, down about 1% today. Clicking it over here to the right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 zeros. Only 4 zeros to the Shiba. It's at 25.45 right now. Coming over here, there's been a slight drop today. There's that little slight drop, no big deal. But let's take a look at the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, here's where, boom. Oh yeah, Shiba. You know, look at that. The Shiba Inu is going up, up, up. So a lot of good stuff going on since the listing. All right, over here at their Twitter account, welcome to official Twitter account of Shiba Inu ecosystem. All right, the Shiba Inu, the wait is finally over. We're excited to announce that the first early access to bid event is now live at shib.io. Important, in order to participate in the early access event, you must have a leash to utilize the locking system. So a lot of things going on right here. Says the Shiba Army Wolf. That was exciting. Thank you for participating in the bid event. We are now introducing our next stage, the holder event, the fixed prices. As a reminder, please acknowledge that you will need to have leash or the Shibo locked for early access. Shib, the metaverse, holders event live. Yeah, a lot of things going on over here. Let's take a look at this. There's your metaverse going on there. All right, over at the website, the decentralized meme token that evolves into a vibrant ecosystem. SHIB, Leash, Bone, Shiba Swap, innovative reward system, the Shiba Incubator, and more than 585K community members and growing fast. How to buy? I would just go on Robinhood. I mean, that's a simple one. Now that it's on Robinhood, everybody on Robinhood, 22.5 million people on that Robinhood. All right, over here at this article, Shiba Inu at 2 months high after Robinhood listing despite the dip. Can SHIB soar from here? All right, so the Shiba Inu finally got listed on the Robinhood. So let's see what it says. Shiba Inu zoomed 35% hours after Robinhood announced that they will list the coin on their platform for trading on Tuesday. However, it spiked, gradually dipped, and then the token hovered around 20% mark for the rest of the day. As Bitcoin dropped below 40,000 level yesterday, Shiba Inu positive run came to a screeching halt and fell to minus 5% in the day's trade today. Nevertheless, the sudden spike in price has made SHIB to be at its 2-month high, and it's up 20% from February levels. So yes, I mean, it's going to go up and then it's going to come down a little bit, but 22.5 million people use Robinhood. This has not even been a week. You know, it's not even been a week. What does it say right here? It's trading on Tuesday. We'll wait to Tuesday and it'll be a week. How can SHIB even go from here? The current market conditions is limited for the growth of the token, making it priced to either dip or remain stagnant. I don't know about that. SHIB did not go parabolic after the Robinhood listing and didn't meet the expectations of the stellar rise. 20% up is pretty good in less than a week. Now the Robinhood and Shiba Inu hype came to an end. The token will be traded and indicates a business as usual. Nothing more can push its boundaries, and the trading volume will be normal as usual. Well, I don't know. You tell me what you think. When 22 million people are on Robinhood and they can get the ship, do you think it's just going to be normal? If Robinhood listing Shiba Inu's news didn't make the token see a sharp spike in price, nothing else practically will. Well, it did go up about 20%, which is fantastic. The Metaverse Land bid event has nothing to do with the SHIB Metaverse. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, we're going to talk about Spooky Miner on avax. All right, so here's Spooky Miner on, what am I on this? This is FTM, this is on Phantom. So just to kind of show you, this is going live at 5 o'clock today on avax. Spooky Miner, collect bones, build skeletons, earn FTM. It's going to be earn avax. The white paper, this is again showing you that there's 29,292,777 FTM locked up in this. Right now I got 6.6 FTM. And how does this work? There's a daily 8% return, APR 29.20. There's a dev fee of 6%. Tokenomics, rewards can be reinvested and withdrawed. So there's a strategy to these to ensure the maximum reward of 8%. They recommend that you actually like compound for 6 days and then you actually harvest or claim for 1. This is proven to be the best strategy to maximize your return on investment in the short term and the long term. So I just want to let everybody know this is actually Spooky Miner on Phantom, but it's actually going live at 5 o'clock today in avax. I will be there. I'm getting my Spooky Miner started with avax today. So I wanted to share that with you. You know, on their Twitter account, it says, welcome to Spooky Miner. You know, basically you can check everything out. They're all spooky. It's got that little launch. But the key thing is these miners, these 6 and 1s. All right, so bringing that to you, Spooky Miner is going on avax today at 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock, 6 and 1, you actually compound for 6 days and you claim on 1. Tomorrow being Sunday, I'm claiming all my miners. How many miners do I have? I mean, quite a few. I got the Spooky Miner, Spooky Beans, Baked Beans, just to name a few. Lucky Cat is another one. Fish Farm. You know, I got quite a few of them, but I'm having a good time with it. I'm compounding for 6 days, and then I'm going to claim everything tomorrow on Sunday and do the program that you're supposed to. All right, let's do a real quick thing on Bitcoin going to $1 million. This one's hard for me to buy into because it's at 40,000. And if it went to 400,000, that would be a 10x. A million is like a 25x right now, but this article, Yahoo Finance, is saying that doesn't mean that it's true or nothing. Remember, do all your own homework, research everything. But I do want to bring this to the viewers. Here we go. Bitcoin will eventually hit $1 million coin. All right, here we go. Let's listen to this gentleman talk about it going to $1 million.
Ethereum either versus Bitcoin. What's the better bet, do you think, for the long run?
Oh, that's a good question. Long term, I think with the halving coming up in 2024 and the year after, that always seems to do very, very well for Bitcoin. I think estimations of Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin, I actually believe that it will.
Did you just hear that? With Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin, he actually believes that.
Will at some stage, with just the scarcity aspect alone. It makes it an incredibly exciting asset to hold. Ethereum, though, brings in this other element of utility that we just don't have with Bitcoin. We have the emergence of NFTs. We have this decentralized finance space. It's really difficult to say how far Ethereum could go. There's a lot of competition now in the space for these decentralized applications. So they may eat into Ethereum's lunch, whereas Bitcoin is kind of uncontested.
Charlie, sorry, Ollie, I realize you just said Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin.
So there's him recapping that you just said Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin. So here's my strategy for everybody. Again, do your own homework, but let's play this out here. If you had one Bitcoin for 40,000 and in 3 to 5 years it goes to a million, that 40,000, you'd be a millionaire. Do your own homework. That's a big thing to think that literally in 2025, 2026, we're going to be like, oh my God, a Bitcoin is $1 million. It could be. I don't know. But do your own homework. I wanted to bring this to everybody. People are always looking for investments. People are looking for crypto projects. People are looking for ways that they can make money. Bitcoin has been proven over these years, and now they're saying it's going to go to 1 million. Just keep that on your radar and stuff. All my information is for educational purposes only, but I love bringing this stuff to the viewers. This is, again, my journey that I can learn cryptocurrency and then bring it to the viewers. So, all right, let's head back over to, you know it, Shiba Inu, little price prediction. All right, back over at the website here. They got 3 things here. They got the SHIB, they got the leash, and they got the bone. You can buy the SHIB, you can buy the leash, you can buy the bone. How to buy it, they're going to tell you how to buy it. Go on Robinhood. Do the 22.5 million users. Buy a little Shiba Inu on Robinhood. You quick start, create your MetaMask, send your ETH to your MetaMask, connect your wallet to the SHIB swap, swap your ETH for SHIB, leash, or bone. All right, there's the SHIB swap. They got the different arts of everything, which is really fantastic. The rescue, which is nice, and the community. All right, over here at Shiba Inu on CoinMarket. So what's our price prediction? The coin is at 0.00002542. It's up 5%. I'm thinking it's going to go 4 zeros and a 27.42. Going to go up a little bit. Do your own homework. All my information is for educational purposes only. But factor in that there's 22.5 million people on Robinhood that can get access to SHIB. Also factor in for 9 months they've been trying to get on Robinhood. It does take time to actually for people to, hey, let's go ahead and buy this. But 22 million people, that's going to be a big thing for Shiba Inu. All right, everybody, the 3 things. Spooky Miner and AVAX, 5 o'clock today. Bitcoin may go to $1 million. Put that in your radar. Check it out. And the Shiba Inu doing fantastic. I mean, it's bounced up and then it came back down, but it's still up 20% since the listing, which is really, really, really good. Don't forget Solana's on Robinhood. Shiba Inu's on Robinhood, Matic's on Robinhood, and Compound cryptocurrencies on Robinhood. All 4 of those cryptocurrencies were up when they first went live on Robinhood. All right, everybody, don't forget to click the like button. Click over here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network, 1% back, 365%, and My Diamond Teams V2, 1.5%. All right, everybody, it's Saturday. Have a fantastic day. The launch for Spooky Miner is going on right now. Have a great day.